Today, we're comparing two flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This reminds me about these two kings of the jungle, the lion and the tiger. Let's break down their key specs and see which one is the real beast. Watch this video to the end. Bexem. Starting with the display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a slightly larger 6.8-inch 1440p LPTO OLED display. Can I compare it with this? Anyway, both support a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals, but Samsung offers a higher resolution for sharper images. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on Apple's A18 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. What do you say? Both are powerful processors, but the iPhone is known for seamless iOS optimization, while Samsung's processor shines in multitasking and gaming. This can be compared with this kind of a slap. Just kidding. For cameras, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has 3 rear lenses, a 48-megapixel fusion camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel 5x telephoto lens. Samsung edges ahead with 4 rear cameras, including a 200-megapixel primary sensor and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto for stunning zoom shots. Another big slap from Samsung. Though I leave this to you, just comment your view about it. But for me, I can say, both phones can capture incredible images, but Samsung offers more versatility and zoom capabilities. Battery life is another key factor. This is like the strengthening muscles on the tiger's body that make it strong and independent, while the lion is aggressive and fight in pride. So tell me which one is the tiger in the comment section after following this description carefully. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 3,852 mAh battery. Note that in mind. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a larger 5,000 mAh capacity. Samsung supports 45-watt wired charging compared to Apple's 30-watt. Both phones feature wireless charging, but Samsung's battery gives it the upper hand for longer use. Before we continue, don't leave. Consider watching this video's recommended here. Now back here. Both phones offer 5G Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Samsung's S24 Ultra includes an S Pen, while the iPhone is known for its Face ID and iOS ecosystem. Pricing starts at $1,299 for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and around $1,199 for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ultimately, the choice between these two phones depends on your priorities, whether you prefer Apple's iOS ecosystem or Samsung's versatile hardware. Which flagship is right for you? Let us know in the comments. We love you.